At first glance, these strips look pretty much the same, but the real difference? That only appears when you actually put them to the test. See, many anti-slip strips lose their grip almost immediately. It just flakes away. But Slips Away uses a specialised resin-sealed coating that keeps that grip locked firmly in place. While standard strips tend to crumble or crack under pressure on the edges, Slips Away is built with robust GRP construction. It stays rock solid with precision straight edges where others get damaged, like you see here. We've even made the setup a breeze. All decking strips come pre-drilled with countersunk cutter screws. No need for pilot holes, simply enjoy a fast and easy installation. You've got options for your decking, 8 different colours, from anthracite and beige to high visibility hazard. This is durable GRP, specifically built for the outdoors. See those edges? They're chamfered, creating a much smoother, safer finish. Overall, we're talking an exceptionally low slip risk, verified through BS 79762 standard testing, and also conforms to DDA legislation. Don't compromise on safety. Slips Away strips deliver.